Morning everyone, welcome back. I really hope you enjoyed that super long ASMR vibey intro. I've been trying so hard to bring a new element to my videos, and I've just been really putting a lot of time and attention into the little details, the sound effects, the music. Literally sitting in front of my computer right now. That's why I'm thinking about this video that I'm filming right now. Massive thank you to you guys for like all your comments and love and support on the last few videos. I've been trying really hard. What else is going on? So I'm gonna do a little makeup today because I have some photos to shoot and I need to do a little sort of before and after of my Botox experience. So I figured I would talk to you guys about it while I do just a little face makeup. I'm gonna do something really natural. I have to take some photos today. I'm gonna go work in a coffee shop. I've been forcing myself to get up, get dressed, and get out of the house for work. It just makes such a huge difference. I only do it 2 to 3 days a week, which I know sounds, woe's me, because people get up and go to work every day, obviously. Those of you that work from home know exactly what I mean. It's just all too easy to stay in your PJs and back open your laptop. Most days, I literally lay in bed and open my laptop from the bed and just start working before I even get up to brush my teeth. I'll just be working in bed trying to get like all the annoying tasky things done. Super random. Anyways, my point is that I've been trying to get up and get out and just get around other people in creative spaces. I love where I live in downtown LA. It's just like graffiti and art and galleries and coffee shops, and it's like fashion district. So there's lots of stores, and at Flower District right here, I just feel like so inspired by all of the artsy elements and inspiration that's around me, like when I get up and I get out. So that's what we're doing today. I thought I would just talk to you guys about my Botox experience since it was my first time. I went to this clinic. I'll leave it down below for you. We're doing a little collab over on Instagram and TikTok. So oddly enough, I swear every time I manifest something, it comes to me. It's insane. I have been manifesting trying to get Botox for the first time. If you guys are not familiar with Botox or filler, I feel like when you hear the word Botox, people are like, oh, don't put anything in your face. It's not like filler that gives you a different face shape. It actually just freezes the muscle so it can't move, basically. So the areas of concern that I wanted to really concentrate on, just seeing over the last couple of years, I could actually use some in this area and it could be great for prevention, is my forehead. Supposedly a great form of prevention of wrinkles because it prevents your skin from wrinkling. It lasts about 3 months. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to do. It was the easiest, simplest process ever. I first got a nice facial first, but then I went and did Botox. I talked to the lady, I told her my concerns, and I kind of had her tell me what she thought. Put a little sunblock on. I had the lady tell me what she thought I could use or like anything, recommendations, just kind of open to seeing what she said. This is why I love going and asking them what they think, because as I was talking to her, she noticed that I was holding a lot of tension in my chin, and I hold a lot of tension here in the jaw. But she noticed when I talk, I like hold my chin in this weird way. I don't know. I just like have a weird habit of putting a lot of pressure right here in the chin area. So she was able to do a little bit of Botox in my chin to kind of relieve this area of any tension, which is amazing because you don't even notice those little things, you know? You need someone else to tell you what they see. So we did forehead, crow's feet, and we did chin and a little bit of a brow lift. This is my before and after though. I figure you guys want to see that most importantly. This is the before, this is the after. As you can see in the before, you can see the lines of my forehead, and it definitely didn't look bad to me. And it was only obviously when I made like a really extreme like face that you could see that, but I still noticed it. But when I raised my eyebrows, as you can see, there's no wrinkles. Just crazy that they can do that. It took 2 minutes. It was on a scale of 1 to 10 of pain, it was like a 3. It was not as painful as getting like a piercing or anything like that. The needle is so little. The needle is so small and it takes 2 seconds, but it's not painless. I hate being uncomfortable and I hate pain. So if I could do it, you guys could do it. So that's my spiel on Botox. You said it would last 3 months, but sometimes people go even longer, like 6 months. I'm definitely a fan. I'm loving my results. I'm only on day 5 and it takes 14 full days apparently to see the full results. So that's really exciting. So it's gonna get even better apparently. I made another appointment with somebody really well known here in LA who does like a lot of girls, like IG models, like IG baddie models. So I booked an appointment with her and she was like 6 months booked out. So I booked an appointment 5 months ago for November. Universe was like, you know what, baby girl, you've been such a good girly. Let me just bless you. So yeah, that's my Botox spiel. And I'm almost done with my makeup. That's how quick and easy I'm gonna make this myself. After I get all my work done today, I'm gonna go to Whole Foods and grab this really delicious dessert I keep seeing all over Instagram. It's like apple crisp or something. Super easy to make apparently, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go grab ingredients for that. We're gonna make that together and just have like a super cozy fall evening. Oh no. Oh my god. Epic failure. Epic failure. I can't believe I just did that. Just got dressed. I am in an outfit that's actually low-key kind of hot outside for, but it's a cute fall fit and I'm trying to get a photo from my window. That's why it's really loud in here. Trying to get a photo of myself down there. It's like kind of an overhead shot. We're gonna put this on record and then I'm gonna take some screenshots from it later. I'm gonna try to get a photo. I got the wrong ice cream. That sucks. What am I gonna do, Zoe? Just how cute she is. She's just staring at me. She's like, I don't know. What do you know, Mommy? What are you gonna do? So cute. So I went to Whole Foods and I picked up some groceries. Hardly. I just got a couple things to fill the hole of what I wanted for dinner and dessert tonight. I'm so upset, you guys, because I went and I bought these pumpkin spice. Why is it taking me so long to read this? I went and got these pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls and I wanted to make this pumpkin spice cinnamon roll dessert tonight. And I got the wrong ice cream. I totally could go to the little store in the corner and grab some vanilla ice cream, but who wants to do that when I just got back from the store? That's so annoying. Okay, I also got apples. I saw on TikTok a really simple, easy recipe for cinnamon rolls. You just cut up some cinnamon rolls with some apples and then pour the icing on top. You'll see, I'll make it later. But it's supposed to be like a really easy, delicious dessert for fall. So we're gonna make it right now, actually. And then I also picked up some tortellini. This is like a 4-cheese tortellini and some marinara sauce. This is the Whole Foods one. I was just like kind of lazy and going through the aisles and I just picked it up because it was right there. So I'm hoping it'll be good, but I have like basil and fresh garlic and spices to put in it to make it like really delicious. I've just been craving like a hearty pasta meal, like something delicious and warm, you know? I'm gonna make a little garlic bread on the side. It's gonna be really good. You're not gonna have any, unfortunately. But it is your dinner time too, so let's feed Zoe really fast. I've been feeding her if anyone cares. If you have a really picky dog who doesn't like to eat food, this is really great. Zoe loves it. She eats it right up. even other like Whole Foods or even wet food. My dog is not a kind of dog that just like any kind of wet food, she'll just eat it. She's very particular. So this is from Fresh Pet. Got it off Amazon Fresh. This will last us a week. So yeah, let's feed Zoe. Oh, you wanna eat some food? Oh, okay. So I'm just sitting here cutting all these apples for this cinnamon dessert. I'm gonna cut the apples up and boil them. I was just having a moment today, like all day. I just had a really good day today. I had a really productive day. I like walked around a lot downtown LA and I just saw so many friends. The weather was perfect. The birds were chirping. Everybody was so complimentary, like, love your outfit, I love your hair. Coffee shops were so cute and people were like sitting outside and I was just like, this is what I always dreamed of for my life. I dreamed of this loft. I used to covet this loft online. Like another YouTuber lived here and I used to look at this loft all the time and be like, I want that loft so bad. And I even did like a brick wallpaper. If you guys would have seen that video, that was 10 years ago. I like did YouTube for a little bit, early college days. I remember I got this wallpaper, this brick wall wallpaper, and put it on as my background because I was so obsessed with brick walls and all I wanted in life was a loft. It's just so crazy. Here I am 10 years later in the exact loft I used to covet and living the exact life I used to dream for myself. But there's something that just makes me feel so fulfilled when I'm like really just doing it on my own and just creating the life that I always wanted. And I'm proud of myself for creating the life of my dreams, if that makes sense. On a tangent now. I'm just feeling really grateful and I'm cutting these apples and I'm listening to like the housewives and I'm in my cute little kitchen and I'm just thinking to myself like, this is exactly what you dreamed of. This is the exact life you dreamed of for yourself. Pat on the back. I should have been thinking bigger though. Like, what's the next dream? Okay, check the box. What do we want next, guys? A rich, fine ass man. A fine ass man to come swoop me off my feet, okay? If anyone asks, universe, let them know. We are ready for the next mission. Anyways, these apples are so good. I don't even want the apple dessert anymore. I'm gonna boil these apples though. I just cut up 2 apples. Pumpkin spice cinnamon roll. I'm gonna cut these up like little squares, like chop them up. And I'm gonna put it all in a bowl with the boiled apples and bake it. This is supposed to be like a dummy proof dessert. Cause I'm like so lazy these days. I just don't feel like cooking ever. I'm gonna make dinner and finish my dessert and go to bed.